Damaging winds developing about elevated areas Saturday afternoon and evening. Low pressure trough moving over South Australia will move eastward into northwestern Victoria Saturday afternoon. And for Saturday the 19th of September, this is ForceThirteen's Australian Oceania channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has a severe weather warning for damaging winds for the central southwest, north central, the northeast, west, south Gippsland forecast districts. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour, possible about the elevated areas above 500 metres during today and Sunday. Winds are expected to develop about the western parts during Saturday afternoon, extending to central parts in the evening. To the eastern ranges early Sunday morning, winds will ease from the west overnight, dropping below warning thresholds by early Sunday morning in the west, later in the morning in the east. Locations that could be affected: Ararat, Killington, Dalesford, False Creek, Mount Hotham and Mount Buddha. And the Bureau of Meteorology South Australia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall for people in parts of the Flinders North East pastoral districts. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce heavy rainfall and may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Arkaroola, Olawai, I haven't pronounced that one right, and the area east of Lake Frommy. Severe thunderstorms no longer occurring in the northwest pastoral, and the warning is cancelled. Woomera recorded 41 millimetres of rain and wind gusts to 85 kilometres an hour. Port Augusta 102 kilometres an hour. Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland has a severe thunderstorm warning current for damaging winds, large hailstones, heavy rainfall for the northwest, central west, the Channel Country forecast districts. Severe thunderstorm activity expected to continue over the region along a prefrontal trough associated with a cut-off low pressure system over South Australia. Supercell thunderstorms with the risk of destructive winds, giant hailstones, intense rainfall are possible in the Channel Country from late morning. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging winds, large hailstones, heavy rainfall, may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected: Thargomindah, Longreach, Windora, Eastward, Orientos and Ballarat. The strong wind warning: Peninsula Coast, Cooktown Coast. Strong wind warning: Eden Coast, New South Wales. East Gippsland Coast, Victoria. And what's happening down there in Tasmania? Bureau has cancelled a frost warning for the Midlands, Upper Derwent Valley forecast districts. Strong wind warning far northwest, lower east, southeast coast. Now we have a look at the latest instability. That's from 10. At the time of doing this update, current temperatures: Sydney 16.8, 15.1, Melbourne 22.3, Brisbane 14.7, Perth 18.8, Adelaide cool 7.3, Hobart 14.6, at Canberra, and 26 up there in Darwin. Here's a look at the storm probability. Shower 2 forecast for Sydney: humid, possible late shower. Melbourne, morning shower. Brisbane, showers. Perth, rain increasing. Adelaide, partly cloudy. Hobart, shower 2. Canberra, shower or 2, possible storm. Darwin. Now we have a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. Information, bottom of the screen. And just looking at some additional information on the Bureau of Meteorology's website. We've got a very deep low pressure system to the south of Australia. The central pressure is going to drop right down to 980 millibars. And here's a look at the GFS model. It's the precipitation and pressure. And again, the information, the precipitation values, the bottom left of the screen. And it looks like the Bureau of Meteorology will be a little bit busy updating their various warnings. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the Bureau's total forecast for rain.